Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。食物丰收的时候，客家妈妈会用腌制或日晒法保存，像是萝卜干、咸菜干、高丽菜干等等。北埔有个咸菜桶打击乐团，把腌咸菜的橘色桶子当鼓来打，带领居民节奏感的是来自都市的艺术家夫妇。虽然不是客家人，因为喜欢这里的自然环境和温暖人情，成了新住民。每逢上课就像一家人，完全没有老师和学生的拘谨，也让老社区充满笑声和希望。
Hey, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka on Icrt. I'm Joseph Lin.
And I'm Nancy Sun.
Hey, Nancy, growing up, did you ever pick up any instruments?
You know, the flute, the piano, standard stuff. Yeah.
I tried picking up the drums.
Right.
But my parents wouldn't allow it.
Yeah.
And today we're going to talk about a percussion group
Right.
Called the Mustard Green Percussion Group.
Mustard green is a pretty important dish to the Hakka people, right?
Yeah, you know that, right?
Yeah.
It's called ham choy in Hakka.
Ham choy?
Ham choy, yeah.
Huh.
And to make ham choy, or mustard greens, they would have to marinate these greens in a big orange bucket for weeks and weeks. And then I guess one day someone was bored and then they decided to make that into an instrument.
Make beautiful music with it.
Exactly. Hence, they formed the group called the Mustard Green Percussion Group.
That actually sounds a lot like Stomp.
Ah, you're right.
Right? You know Stomp. I mean, they're super famous. They're also a rhythm percussion group.
Exactly.
And they started in the UK, but they also play all over the world now, like in London, Singapore, and New York City.
Yes.
And they also use garbage cans and lids and broomsticks and even their boots.
Yeah. Hence the term stomp,
Hence
right?
the term stomp.
Stomping around.
Yeah, and they also incorporate like acrobatics and dance, and they've performed at the Oscars and the London Olympics all over the place.
Sounds very entertaining. And another group from South Korea more recently getting world recognition is called Ruanda or Nanta.
Nanta, right.
And they would use like ordinary kitchen items like your pots and pans, your knives, your cutting boards, whatever you can find in the kitchen as instruments. And they add a little comedy to it as well, and it becomes very entertaining.
Yeah.
So it looks like everyone in the world loves making rhythms by using these ordinary items.
It's a universal language.
Like you have a mug.
Right.
I'm empty-handed, but I got my chest right here. I can do the we call it the coffee mug chest group or something. I don't know. All right, let's have Leo teach us some of these phrases, such as the mustard green, 咸菜,
ham choy,
and also percussion drumming, 打鼓.
大鼓.
And if you have time, or if you love music, don't forget to check out this percussion group known as 咸菜桶打击乐团. And there you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka. I am Joseph Lin. 安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.